नमस्कार, मैं जयप्रकाश आचार्य फ्रॉम सरस्वती विद्या मंदिर पूर्णिया। आज क्लास 8 के फिजिक्स सब्जेक्ट के लिए टॉपिक फोर्स एंड प्रेशर में टॉपिक है टाइप ऑफ फोर्सेस एंड देयर एक्सप्लेनेशन। इस पर आज हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे। प्रीवियस डे वी हैड talk about the muscular force. Here I am repeating again. The muscular force. What is muscular force? Muscular force अर्थात पेशीय बल, ऐसा बल जो कि सजीव प्राणी यूज करते हैं। सजीव प्राणी के द्वारा लगाया गया बल को मस्कुलर फोर्स कहते हैं, पेशीय बल कहते हैं। The force exerted by the living body, that is called muscular force. Like a घोड़ा का गाड़ी खींचना, बैल द्वारा हल चलाना, ploughing the field by the bullock, कुत्ते का दौड़ना, गधा के द्वारा सामान ढोना, हाथी के द्वारा जंगलों से सामान ढुलाई करना, उस पर सवारी करना। तो इस प्रकार मनुष्य द्वारा अनेक प्रकार के कार्य किए जाना, जैसे कि पानी खींचना, पानी ढोना, सामान ढोना, इस प्रकार ठेला चलाना, किसी चीज को पुलिंग करना। दैट्स बहुत सारे कार्य ऐसे होते हैं जो हम लोग क्या करते हैं। दिस टाइप ऑफ फोर्सेस इज नोन एज मस्कुलर फोर्स। Now, magnetic force. The force exerted by the magnet, that is called magnetic force. There are two types of forces. That is, one is repulsion force. Like pole repel to each other. Here also repulsion force. Here two magnet like pole repulse to each other. सदृश ध्रुवों में विकर्षण यहाँ क्षण चुंबक बार मैग्नेट के द्वारा दिखाया गया है। एक दूसरे प्रकार का मैग्नेट मैं दिखा रहा हूँ। ये मैग्नेट भी देखिए, दिस इज राउंड मैग्नेट। इट इज राउंड मैग्नेट। इट इज वन अदर इज आल्सो. This type of magnet is used in the speaker. We have seen speaker, that is in mobiles, earphone, and sound box also. Here it is a broken piece of this type of magnet. Here it attract. Here it fall down. It attract. Here it attract. But it repels also. In the other pole it repels. Here it is repulsion force. It not attract, it repel to each other. So repulsion and attraction force exerted by the magnet is known as magnetic force. Here this type of, here N pole and S pole around it. This type of magnet is known as round magnet. Another, that is magnetic needle. This is known as also compass. It shows the direction of the earth, in which direction we stay. That is north direction. Here it is south direction. So magnetic force, the force exerted by the magnet, मैग्नेट के द्वारा लगाया गया फोर्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? मैग्नेटिक फोर्स कहते हैं. जस्ट लाइक अर्थ इज ए फास्ट बार मैग्नेट, also due to this magnetic needle always shows the north and south pole direction. Okay, now that is gravitational force. What is gravitational force? Gravitational force, that is the force exerted by the earth. The pen always fall towards the ground due to force of gravitation. Once it was discovered by Newton, which is he was sitting under a tree, an apple fallen, just then it he thought it is the gravitation force. Okay, the force exerted by the earth, that is force of gravity and gravitational force. Gravitational force, due to gravitational force, the earth moves around the sun, the moon moves around the earth, every heavenly planet and satellite moves to each other its center due to gravitational force. So it is very important. Gravitational force always attract towards its center. It has no repulsion force. Now, electrical force, the force exerted by positive charge and negative charge attraction. Also positive to repulsion, negative to repulsion. Here also repulsion and attraction force applied due to positive negative charge and positive charge, negative charge. The charge is the source of electricity. The force which is applied by the electricity, that is known as electrical force. With the force of electricity, the electric motor runs, the electric fan runs. So electrical force do everything nowadays. Okay, now friction force. What is friction force? A ball hit, when it hit with our leg, it runs. After some time it stopped at some distance. Why it is stopped some distance? Due to friction. What is friction? The force exerted by two surfaces. The force which exerted by two surfaces, it opposes the motion. फ्रिक्शन फोर्स एक गति को रोकता है. दो सतहों के बीच लगने वाला विपरीत डायरेक्शन में लगने वाला फोर्स जो है, जो गति को रोकता है, ऐसे फोर्स को हम फ्रिक्शन फोर्स कहते हैं. इट इज समटाइम्स बेनिफिशियल एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट इज very evil. We know the friction force is evil. Okay? Here, due to friction force, our footwear wind out. Due to friction, the parts of machine wound out. Okay? But it is necessary also. Without friction force, we can't walk on the road. Due to friction force, we can walk on the road. The motors, vehicles run on the roads. If there is no friction on the road, any vehicles does not run, because all this begin to slipping on the road, they does not run. Okay? इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ अगर आपको ये अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे। धन्यवाद।